Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to reset your Whirlpool Duet washer easily and fix common front load problems quickly. First, turn off the washer and unplug it from the power outlet. Waiting a few minutes allows the control board to fully power down. Next, press and hold the start-pause button for about 5 to 10 seconds. On most Whirlpool Duet models, this will initiate a reset and clear any error codes displayed on the screen. Plug the washer back in and turn it on. Select a standard wash cycle and press Start. This triggers the system to initialize and restore default settings. If your washer has an error code, note it before resetting. After the reset, check if the code disappears. Persistent errors may indicate a mechanical issue that requires professional service. Also, ensure the door is fully closed and the water supply is turned on. The washer won't reset or start if it detects a door latch or water flow problem. By following these steps, you can quickly reset your Whirlpool Duet washer and get it running smoothly again. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching,